Hello my crafty friends, it's Arva. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on and show what I received back from the matchbook swap that I participated in that was hosted by Brittany, who is BB's Kraftz, in her Patreon group. And for this swap, we were to follow Brittany's tutorial to create a matchbook, and we were to include 2 tags, not to be larger than 3x5, 2 3x3 note cards, and 2 embellishments. So it was a surprise swap, so we don't know who received ours or who we received from until we got the packages back. This was such a quick turnaround. I mean, before Brittany even finished putting up the swap videos, my package was in my mailbox. I mean, she's very quick with these swaps. So these are the 2 that I received. Like I said, I don't know who I received from, so let's get into it. Okay, here's this first one, so pretty pink with these beautiful butterflies. Look at this pretty tag. I'm not sure if these are the die cuts from Dollar Tree or the ones from Hobby Lobby. Either way, just gorgeous, and what a great way to use these. All right. Oh, Becky Baker. I follow Becky on YouTube. She is Becky Baker here on YouTube, and on Instagram she is B Baker Craft Maker. I will leave links to her channel and her Instagram page in the description box below. So let's see. Everything is wrapped so beautifully. Oh, we've got a small matchbook here. So cute. Oh, dark chocolate sea salt caramel. I am not a big dark chocolate fan, but I love caramel and I love that with sea salt, so I can't wait to try this. I hope that it makes it to the photos. If not, at the end, I'm sure that I'll figure out a way to make it look like it did. But I love chocolate. All right, so on the front, she has these beautiful butterflies. She has crepe paper and tulle underneath, this silk flower, and then this cute pom-pom with some beads. It says Namaste. Those sugar beads, very cute. And then she's got some cut parts on the back, 2 butterflies, kindness and wisdom. Very pretty. All right. So in this first pocket, excuse me, this cute little folder. It's really cute. White with gold polka dots, and then some gold glitter washi on the spine, and then some washi butterflies at the bottom. Very, very cute. These cute pockets. Wow, look at her tags. That is so creative. These really pretty, I forgot what these leaves are called, but they're really thin, almost like paper. And then she's got pink flat back pearls here. It says Choose Joy at the bottom. And then she has the Grow Gain ribbon at the top with pink with white polka dots. And then the other one is kind of like a mirror image. Choose Joy is in the upper right hand corner. The leaf even is turned in the opposite direction. And then the flat back pearls again. So cute. And beautifully decorated. And they are thick, thick, guys. Thick, thick. Beautiful. Okay. These look like the 3x3s. All right, look at that beautiful gold butterfly. And then she's got flat back pearls down the center. Little pink flat back heart. There's some tulle layered behind it. And it says, You Inspire Me. And then she's matted the inside and put one of those washi butterflies. Very cute. Such a cute envelope too. And she decorated the front with some of those washi butterflies. And then the next one, she has some flags, some page flags that are layered together here. She has tulle again, and then flat back pearls. And the top one says, You Inspire Me. And then it's matted with this pretty lavender paper with gold butterflies and the washi butterfly in the corner. I love butterflies. I love bees. I love sunflowers. So this is just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful to me. If you remember, I did not go with a spring theme. And Brittany was kind of wondering why I went with mermaids. It was only because I had all the stuff and I had not used that collection for anything. So I was like, why not? It was one where you could pick your own theme. We really hadn't got to spring yet, and I didn't want to start spring crafting, so I just went for it. No rhyme or reason. And then she's got these beautiful page flags again here. I'm going to definitely recycle these, use those again with the You Inspire Me. And these are her embellishments. Look how pretty. She's got ruffled paper and then some flags. What looks like a paper straw that has been flattened underneath this flag, and then it's layered with bloom. This one says spring has sprung, and it has a little bee. And then look at these beautiful resin roses with gold trim. Beautiful. And then she has these yarn bows. These are really, really pretty. And again, this beautiful package came from Becky Baker. Thank you so much, Becky. Everything was beautiful. I'll be right back with the next one. Okay, so we're back with the next package. And this person used Garden Party. Love this paper. Some page flags with a crepe paper rosette, some tulle, and then these leaves and this beautiful dimensional flower with the gold glittered foam ball in the center. That flower is just gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, and it's from Kiki, who is Kiki's Creations here on YouTube, and Gator Chick on Instagram. I love this sticker, Kiki. That is really pretty. All right, let's get into it. All right. In the first pocket, excuse me, we have her 3x3s. So this first one, and look at the nice bracket frame that she used. So she did a shaped 3x3. She's got 3 sequins and then hello. And then she layered inside and put a washi bow in the corner. Brittany asked us not to have any naked insides. So whether you matted it, added a stamp, sticker, just something so it wasn't naked. And here's the cute envelope for that one. And then here's one that says thank you. Again with the 3 sequins. The inside pink matte with a washi butterfly. Adorable. With this pretty blue envelope. All right, in the next pocket, we have her embellishments. Okay. Oh, what a great idea. So she has this ephemera piece, and then she's put a vellum butterfly with some flatback rhinestones here, one of those AB flatback pearls here and 2 up here. I picked up a box of these from Hobby Lobby, and they are just beautiful. I don't know if Kiki got hers from there, but they are so pretty. And she has this gold frame and then a chipboard piece of the quail here. Very, very cute, and it was such a great way to use that. And I have seen this die several times, but I didn't pick it up. I think that I will now. Kiki has definitely inspired me here. This is very cute. I believe this is a KS Craft die. It's a watering can, and she's got seed beads and sequins and some confetti pieces, little flowers. Very pretty with this gold glitter, and then the holes are in pink glitter. Very, very cute. And she used some yellow foam for the, I've really been enjoying doing that, using the different color foam for the shakers, so it doesn't look so starkly different when you're using dark colors and you have to put white or some color that really doesn't match what you're using. I think that makes it look so much better when you're working on projects. I was shocked though to find that 5mm foam at Hobby Lobby cuts so well in the die cutting machines. So here are her tags. This one we have this doily trim around. She put an eyelet here with a rosette and then a heart, a glittered heart on the top, and then she has some tulle in a circle shape over top. Very, very cute. And then we have a larger one with a butterfly pattern around the edges. And then she's done some paper ruffling. She has some of that sequin thread underneath. And then a glittered butterfly at the top. She's done some stencil work here with that rose. Very pretty. And some more of those flat back pearls that are with the iridescent. Very, very pretty. And this is her matchbook. And let me give you a better look at the inside of Becky's as well. All the papers, the beautiful papers that they used. All right, guys, thank you, Becky and Kiki, for swapping with me. I really enjoyed doing this swap. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, have a great day. Bye.